Hello again, it's Lee from West Country Cleaning Equipment of Yeovil. A bit of a manky day today, as you can see. Our service vehicle has just come back in off the road. It really is rather dirty, and I think it's an ideal time to show you our new Fusion Ultra foaming system. Now this foam can be used, or this detergent I should say, is a high pH detergent that can be used through any foaming device, such as this Suttner foam bottle that you can fit onto your Ehrle pressure washers, and we can also adapt any other pressure washer to work with this system. So I've got an Ehrle machine already set up. We're going to quickly get some foam on, leave it to dwell on there, and we'll see how well it cleans. So this is the Fusion Ultra system from West Country. Okay, so as you can see, we've got all of the Fusion Ultra foam on the vehicle. It's been sitting on there for about 3 minutes or so now. We've given it, I think, plenty enough time to bite in and do its thing. If you want to zoom in here, Joe, with the camera, and we can show the viewers how it's detached all the dirt from the bodywork. So I don't know if you can see the brown deposits. Hopefully you can. Hopefully the camera's picking it up okay. You can see all the brown deposits in the foam, and that's basically all of the dirt that's been lifted off the surface of the vehicle and is sheeting off nicely. So I think that's had long enough now. So what we'll do, we'll fire up the Ehrle pressure washer again, the hot water machine, and we'll get it rinsed off, and we'll see what kind of a job it's done. Right, so we've used the Fusion Ultra foam on there. We've put it on the vehicle, let it dwell on there for about 3 or 4 minutes. Then we've got the Ehrle pressure washer, we've rinsed it off, and it's brought the vehicle back to an acceptable standard again, ready for work tomorrow. So that was the Fusion Ultra system from West Country. It's available in 25 and 200 litre mini bulk drums, delivered out onto site if you need it, or you're more than welcome to give us a call and arrange collection. At the moment, no worries at all. Prices are on the website, or if you're interested in buying it in bigger volumes, this product is designed for cleaning vehicles quickly, so in fleet operations of vans, trucks, etc. So if you're going to need a bit more quantity wise, then just pick up the phone or send us an email and we'll be able to work out a custom price for you. Okay, so this has been Lee from West Country Cleaning Equipment, showing you the new Fusion Ultra system.